body is that we will show you the functions of the cells by showing it through our body interpretation. Cytoplasm, cytoplasm, cytoplasm. We are the cell-like substance. We hold the body parts of the cells.
I am the nucleus. I'm in the middle part of a cell, and I control every cell.
I am nuclear membrane. I protect the most important part of the cell, the nucleus. I am its protector. I let things in and out of it. I am surrounding it for its protection.
I am the centriole. I help divide a cell.
I am Golgi. I secrete waste.
I am right. I am nucleus. I make.
I am the mitochondria. I supply energy to all the parts of the cell.
I am ER. Stands for endoplasmic reticulum. I transfer materials and send messages to all parts of cell.
I am ribosome. I make proteins. We are the cell membrane. We protect all of the cells.
We are the cell.
We are the cell.